What is going on, guys? Today we are going to be installing the cabin air filter on my 2011 B8 A4. So let's go ahead and do this. So there is the filter right there, and right under the glove box is the air filter. So right under here there will be 3 hand screws and there will be a styrofoam mat. So all you have to do is unscrew those and then take out the mat. So right here are the 3 hand screws and there is the styrofoam mat. And right under here you'll see that little white plastic piece. All you have to do is slide that right over and then you'll have access to the filter. Now here is the filter. As you can see, there's a bunch of nasties in there and you don't want to be breathing all that in, so I'd say it's time to replace. As you can see right here, there is a little bit of a difference. So now we are going to throw the new filter in. So that is it, guys. Now I have no more smelly, stinky AC coming through my vents. So be sure to check your cabin air filter to see if it was nasty like mine was. Thanks so much for watching this quick video, guys. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more updates on my Audi B8 build.